Is caste pressure stifling justice? That's the question after a Dalit girl was gang raped, but no arrests were made till villagers protested. What's worse, the rapist shot an MMS clip which was circulated in this entire Dalit village in Hisar of Haryana, and her father, humiliated, committed suicide.
Dalits demanding justice in a corner of Congress-governed Haryana. It's been 5 days since an FIR was registered over the alleged gang rape of a Dalit teen. 12 men have been accused, yet only one has been arrested and another detained today.
जाट बिरादरी के हैं, प्रशासन तो यही कह रहा है भी हम पकड़ देंगे, पर उनका काम थोड़ा मेरी साथ में ढीलापन चल रहा है। धमकियां मिल रही हैं लोगों को, हम ऐसे कर देंगे, ऐसे कर देंगे।
The police has no answer why the others have not been arrested, even though they have all been identified to be in and around Debra village.
It is not a very big village either. Dabra has a population of about 6,000 people. Majority of them are Jats. The 20% of SCs and STs in this area stay in colonies like these. But so much is the intimidation that the case could be reported after 10 days. That too, only because the father committed suicide.
कुछ लोगों ने उस पर दबाव डाल दिया, भी तू मत जा, उसको जाने नहीं दिया। जब जाने से वो मनाही कर गया, तो बस उसने यही सोचा और तो कोई इलाज नहीं है, तू अपना आत्महत्या कर ले।
The family has been torn apart by the double tragedy, and it's not without reason that they fear justice may be delayed or denied. It was in the same district, Hisar, 2 years ago, that a Dalit father and his differently abled girl were burnt alive by upper castes in Mirchpur. Despite a visit by Rahul Gandhi, the state Congress government dragged its feet. Among the accused was the local SHO. It took the intervention of the Supreme Court, which transferred the case out of Haryana to ensure justice. But this time, the district police chief says they've straight away filed charges under the tougher SC/ST Act, which is meant to ensure speedy justice.
The case under Section 376 itself is a very strong case, and there is we have invoked SC/ST Act also in that case.
The state government and authorities have put security in place, even promised a compensation of about 5 lakh rupees. But the victims here are not satisfied. They say it's too little, too late. And with 8 out of 12 victims belonging to the Jat community, the fear here is that the fight for justice is just going to be a long one. With Surender Singh and Tom Joseph in Hisar, Haryana, Sonal Mehrotra for NDTV.
But of course, there's a lot of explaining the police has to do. 15 days after the gang rape, only 2 of the 12 accused have been arrested. There's no concrete action, as we heard villagers there say, and questions are being raised that the police is under pressure. They, of course, denied, saying there's absolutely no state bias that's delaying justice.
So you've managed to, catch hold of one more person, but is it really enough at this time?
Yes, it's not enough. We also know that it's a very grave and heinous crime, and it's a gruesome gang rape case. But unfortunately, the information came to police after 10 days. The incident took place on 9th September, but the complaint came to the police after the death of her father. So that's why there was a delay. And as soon as the father committed suicide, the culprits fled the village. They vanished from the village. So we could achieve with the help of the villagers, we could effect arrest of one accused who has revealed other names. And out of 12 also, the girl could give only the name of 4 guys. So one of the named guys has been arrested, and on his statement, we could detain few suspects. We have been questioning them, and one of them seems to be one of the culprits. So the intense questioning is going on against that guy. We have been questioning him, and for all others, the other accused. So from the first accused, we could get the name of the others also, and we could recollect or reconstruct the scene of crime also.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.